Next.
Morning.
Good morning. Please remove your hat.
Oh, sorry.
That's fine. That's okay.
Sorry about that.
That's
miss.
okay. Why do you want a visa?
Come on, go foreign.
To do what?
Come here, say it nice.
Okay.
And them some of them have like some tall house where I open the sky, touch all the cloud and them thing
Yeah,
there.
skyscrapers.
I'm here say you can't get the foreign up with them over there cheap. Cause we can't afford for them outside no call them dear.
Could you slow down and repeat that last sentence?
I'm saying, miss. I'm saying that the foreign apples them is cheaper in foreign.
Okay, got you.
Cause we poor people cannot afford the nyammed them out here cause it dear.
Okay,
Yeah,
I got you.
Yeah.
So, who will you be staying with?
May I stay with Kamala Harrison?
You're staying with who?
You don't know Kamala Harrison?
No, I don't.
What?
I know a
woman
Kamala
that the
Harris, who's the
president-
vice
Yeah,
president of the
girl.
U.S.
Oh, you mean I'm a family? And
Ma'am,
I'm
you're
a-
very loud. You're very loud.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm a family.
Okay.
Yeah, our father Jamaican. You know the teacher man up on university. I'm a family.
Okay.
Yes, a film, auntie, and my cousin, brother, sister-in-law.
Okay.
Yeah,
I got
man.
So you're staying at the White House, is what
No,
you're
the
saying?
house not white again, girl. It's
Oh, I'm sorry.
up
You're
by
staying
the
at the
tan
Tan
house.
House. Okay, got you. For how
How
long?
long we can stay up there for?
Usually it's 6 months.
Alright, well then that's 6 months. 6 months? No, girl, top up that, man. Put on some more upon that, man. Remember, say Kamala Harrison, my cousin, you know,
Oh
my
yeah,
family,
she's
you
your
know.
cousin. I
Remember
totally
that.
forgot. Yeah.
Top it
Ma'am,
up.
your visa application has been denied, so
Yes,
I'm going to
sir?
ask you to try back next year, okay?
No, call, where your supervisor?
Ma'am, can you leave, please?
I want to get your supervisor.
Security!